national anthem. Do watch this video, flag hoisting. Hema ma'am, share the video.
मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Thank you all. Now I then request our principal ma'am to deliver a speech on Independence Day.
A very warm good morning to my dear students and teachers. Today I am here to wish you all happy Independence Day. What is Independence Day, students? Every year we celebrate Independence Day on August 15th in order to show respect for India's freedom from the British rule in 1947. Every year our Prime Minister hoists our national flag at Delhi Red Fort and he addressed the nation. Even our President will deliver an address to our nation, which is followed by the military parade. And in honor of this occasion, till 21 gunshots are fired. Once again, wish you all happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Mrs. Lakshmi ma'am to speak about the importance of Independence Day.
Good morning, dear respected principal, my dear friends, and my dear students. Happy Independence Day to one and all. Dear children, this is a day to remember our freedom fighters. This is a day to celebrate Independence Day. You all remember Independence Day, right? On which day we used to celebrate Independence Day? That is on August 15th. When we got independence? When we got independence, children? In 1947. In 1947, we got independence. How we got independence? By fighting with Britishers. By fighting with Britishers only, we got freedom. Means from that time onwards, we are Indians. Yes, thank you one and all, my dear children and my dear friends and respected principal ma'am. Happy Independence Day once again, children. Enjoy the day. Bye everyone, children.
Thank you, ma'am. Now let's call the children who have prepared these speeches one by one. Tanmay Sri from 3rd standard.
Ma'am, shall I start, ma'am?
Yes, start Tanmay Sri.
Good morning to everyone. Happy Independence Day to all. My name is Tanmay Shri. I am studying in 3rd standard of Sidiksha School of Excellence. On this occasion, I will give a short speech about Independence Day. We got independence on 15th of August 1947 from British, who ruled our country for around 200 years. The great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, and others who fought for the independence of India. On this great occasion, we hoist our national flag and sing national anthem. I am proud to be an Indian, so let's celebrate today with great joy. Thank you, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Yes, it was a very useful information. Yes, to all of our children. Next, I call upon Cherish from 3rd standard.
Ma'am, shall I start, ma'am?
Yes, dear, yes.
Okay. Good morning to respected principals, worthy teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Cherish. I am studying in 3rd standard from Sidiksha School of Excellence. First of all, I wish you happy Independence Day to all. On this occasion, I will give a short speech of our freedom fighters. We are in the 21st century. We are enjoying all kinds of freedom without any rules and restrictions. It is because of the sacrifice made by our freedom fighters. Our freedom fighters are the symbol of patriotism and bravery. Today I am going to tell about Khudiram Bose. Khudiram Bose was a revolutionary freedom fighter of the Indian freedom struggle. He counted among the youngest freedom fighters. He was born on 3rd August 1889 at Midnapur district in West Bengal. His father name was Trilokanath Bose. His mother name was Lakshmi Priya Devi. He met Brinder Kumar Ghosh when he joined Anuhilan Samiti. While distributing pamphlets, Khudiram was captured. To target the police, Bose kept a bomb near the police station. A British lady with a child was killed during that incident. On 11th August 1908, during the conflict of bombing, Khudiram Bose died. The slogan was, "Can there be a disease worse than slavery?" Thank you, ma'am. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.
Yes, it was a very good speech about Independence Day. Thank you, Cherish. Next, I call upon Arati K of 3rd standard. Arati K?
Shall I start, ma'am?
Yes, start, dear.
Good morning, respected principal, worthy teachers, and my dear friends. I am studying in Sidiksha School of Excellence. My name is K. Arati. I am studying in 3rd standard. Happy Independence Day to all of you. We all know that India is celebrating 75th Independence Day on August 15, 2021. Today, I am very happy to have the opportunity to express my thoughts on this occasion of Independence Day. Today, India got liberated from Britishers after 200 years of long struggle and fight. India got freedom on August 15, 1947. It is a day to celebrate our freedom by paying tribute to all national freedom fighters who have shown immense love, bravery, sacrifice, patriotism for their mother nation and has gifted this beautiful India. Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and Swami Vivekananda are some of the freedom fighters. People celebrate Independence Day by hosting the national flag and reciting the national anthem. This is our responsibility to lead our country to become super powerful of the world and make it the best. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Arati. It was excellent. Next, I call upon Varsha of 3rd standard.
Shall I start, ma'am?
Yes, ma.
Good morning to respected principal, worthy teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Varsha. I am studying in Siricha Schools of Excellence. Independence Day is the symbol of valiant sacrifices of our freedom fighters and the people of India to attain the freedom from the claws of the British. Happy 75th Independence Day to all. Proud to be an Indian. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Varsha. Next, I call upon Amisha from 3rd standard. Yes, you can start, Amisha.
Can I start, ma'am? Can I start, ma'am?
Yes, dear.
Good morning to all of you, respected principal, ma'am, worthy teachers, and all my dear friends. On this great day, I wish you all a happy Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. Now I am speak about the great freedom fighter Mahatma Gandhi ji. He was a great leader of India. He is also known as the father of our nation and Bapu. Gandhi ji believed in simple living and high thinking. Gandhi ji always followed non-violence. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Yes, Amisha. It was an awesome performance. Next, I call upon Preksha Sri from UKG. Preksha Sri from UKG. Yes. Preksha, unmute your call. We can't hear you. Preksha, unmute. I'm not able to hear you. No. Take your parents' help. We are not able to hear your speech.
No. No, ma'am.
Who's saying no? Preksha, we are not able to hear you, dear.
Kirtana ma'am,
Ask your...
Hello.
Hello?
Kirtana ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually Preksha, she didn't join, ma'am. It is Preksha MS. So you can go to next step, ma'am.
Ma'am, Preksha is here, ma'am. I'm able to see her. She's trying to say, but I'm not able to hear her.
By which name, ma'am?
Hema.
Hema. Okay. Okay, ma'am. I will check, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. She is here, but I'm not able to hear her. That's all. Even Preksha ma'am is also, I think so. They didn't give them. Yes, start, dear. Start.
Good morning to respected principal ma'am, worthy teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Preksha Shiv. I am studying in Diksha School of Excellence. I have to present speech about freedom fighters. Today is 15th August. We are celebrating Independence Day. Freedom fighters made India free from Britishers. Freedom fighters are real heroes of our country. Some of them are Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, etc. Thank you, one and all. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Preksha. It was an awesome speech. Next, I call upon Vamshika Nag from UKG. Vamshika Nag, unmute your call.
Vamshika, you didn't mention your name, dear. Dear parents, please mention child name so that we can identify the child and we can unmute them. If you are logging by your name means it is very difficult to identify the child name. By which name Vamshika has been joined?
Ma'am, Nagaraja, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, I will unmute now, ma'am.
To respected principal, worthy teacher, and my dear friends. I am studying in Diksha School of Excellence. My name is Vamshika Nag. I am studying in UKG. Firstly, I wish you house happy Independence Day. I am going to talk about great freedom fighter Gandhiji. Full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His father is father of the nation. Gandhiji used non-violence to free India from British. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Yes, Vamshika, it was a very good performance. Next, I call upon Charlie S from first standard. Charvi S. Yes, unmute your ma'am. Oppo A9 2020, ma'am. She has not logged in with her name. Ma'am, unmute her. Hey, mama. Yes. Start, ma. Start.
Name of the children who was you sent to patient.
Wait. Wait, dear. Wait. Charvi. Ma'am, Charvi Sahel. Not Charvi Sahel. Only Charvi.
To 10 minutes.
Parents, if the meetings got discontinued also, you can join once again. You can go for the link once again and you can join the link.
Sari, you start speaking now.
Good morning to respected principal, work teacher, and my dear friend. I'm studying in Sidiksha School of Excellence. My name is Charvias Biradar. I am studying in first standard. Today I am going to talk about Independence Day. The Independence Day is a celebration of freedom. India got Independence Day August 15, 1947. India, it is our national festival. And this day, we should remember our great leaders. Like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, and others. We should wish you all a happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Yes, Charvi, it was an awesome performance, dear. Next, I call upon Akil Kumar of second standard.
Kirtana ma'am, Akil Kumar. Yes, Akil, you can speak now.
Morning to respected principals, worthy teachers, and my dear friends. Myself, Akil, and I am from second standard of Sidiksha School of Excellence. Today I am going to tell you few words about Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was well known as Netaji. He was born on 23rd January 1987. He was a freedom fighter. His father, Janakinath, he was a lawyer. He was a brilliant student. He became the first president of Indian National Congress. He gave us the slogan Jai Hind. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Yeah, Akil Kumar, thank you. It was awesome. Okay. Next, now let us learn something new on this day. Mrs. Yamuna is here to teach you how to make a flag.
Kirtana, 1 minute. Kirtana, 1 minute. Congratulations, children. I'm Rashmi. I'm so pleased to see you all delivering very good speeches about Independence Day.
Once again, I'll congratulate Tanmay Sri, Cherish, Arati, Hemisha, Varsha, Reksha Sri, Vamshika Nag, Charvi S. Biradar, Akil Kumar, and also as well as the parents who took initiative to participate during this Independence Day. My dear children, congratulations once again. I'm very happy to see you all delivering the speeches like this. Thank you. Kirtana can continue now.
Yes. Now let us learn something new on this day, children. Mrs. Yamuna ma'am is here to teach you how to make a flag. Children, this is how to make a flag. Watch the video and do the same. Click the photo and post it to the teacher's WhatsApp.
Excuse me, Kirtana ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually time ends, ma'am. Once again, we'll join, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
And then we'll start the art and craft, ma'am.
Yeah.
Dear children, once again, please join. The meeting getting end now. The time's up. Children, please once again join.
Start. Good morning, children. Happy Independence Day, children. Now we are going to see a simple wall hanging. Okay. See here, you have a waste cardboard at your home, no? In that you can make a arc shape and you can cut it. Okay. After cutting, you can paste a white paper on top. Okay. After that, you have to cut a circle in the same cardboard. You have to cut a circle and paste a white paper for both arc and a circle. Okay. After doing this, take a rice. You have a rice. You can take a rice and a orange color water paint. Understood? Take a orange color water paint. You take a pinch of water paint and mix it with the rice. Okay. Before doing this craft, half an hour before, you can make it and make it dry in the sun. Okay. After that, even same way you have to do for orange color also. You have to do for orange color also. See here. Sorry. For green color also. Green color and orange color. See here. I made before half an hour. Then only it will dry. Now take this heart shape. Take this heart shape. We have pasted a white paper on top. Okay. Now we have taken a circle. We can draw a chakra in this. Okay. Ashoka chakra. How to draw? See here. Take a pencil and a blue sketch or blue pen. Anything. Okay. See. See here, children. You can draw like this on the top. See. After drawing, you can paste it in a center. You can paste it in a center. First, you have to apply a Fevicol. See here. For this chakra. Okay. First, you have to paste it in a center of the heart. See here. This is a center. You all can see, children. You all can see. See here? We have pasted. Okay. Now, take a pencil and a scale. You have to divide it equally. Okay. See here? You all can see? Everybody can see? Yeah. Now, apply a Fevicol on the top. See here? This. See here? You all can see. Fully you all have to apply, children. Then only it will look very nice. See here? You all can see now? You all can see. Yeah. Now, in the same way, we have to do for green color also. We have to paste the green color also. See, you all can see, children? You all can do this and you can hang it in your home also. See? You all can see, children? It is very nice. You all can see, children? Yeah, you all can take a screenshot and you all can do and you can send to my personal number. Okay. See, you all can hang it in your home also. See here? See here? It is a small wall hanging. Understood, children? Everybody will do. Okay. Thank you, children. Thank you, Amuna ma'am. May I now request Mrs. Pratibha ma'am to propose vote of thanks.
first. Now Aishwarya and Divya can wish the children for Independence Day. You can unmute and wish. Then Pratima ma'am can deliver the vote of thanks.
Wish you a very happy Independence Day, my dear children. Excuse me, ma'am.
Aishwarya, you can wish now. It is not audible, Aishwarya. You have to unmute and you have to wish.
Happy Independence Day to everyone, children.
Now Pratima ma'am can deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of the school.
Happy morning, everyone. It's a great privilege to propose vote of thanks on this auspicious occasion. I thank Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents, and students who actually participate today's virtual independence celebration. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Teachers, let's wish once again Happy Independence Day together. Happy Independence Day to all of you.
Let's unmute our children also. Let them say to us together. Children, you all can unmute and say together Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day, ma'am. Happy Independence Day, ma'am. Happy Independence Day, ma'am. Happy Independence Day, ma'am. Independence Day, ma'am. Happy 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 Independence Day, ma'am.
ఎన్నిసార్లు చెప్తారు
Yeah, children, I hope you all enjoyed the function. Yes, take care. Bye. Thank you all.
Thank you, Kirtana ma'am. Thanks for anchoring and making a function grand success, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks for each and every children and their parents also for participating the function. Thanks from Sidiksha School of Excellence. Have a great day, children. Have a good luck.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind,
Jai
Jai
Hind.
Bharat.
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Yes, bye.
Bye everyone, children. Bye. Take care.